I'm gonna show you how to make a picture transparent and using PowerPoint. It's pretty simple and easy to do. First, you see I got this photo here. I just took a picture of it and pasted here on PowerPoint, and I took this picture here also, and I'm gonna paste it. So I want to make this picture transparent, maybe about that big, so you can size it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up a new page or a blank page, and I'm gonna copy this picture here. And once I copy this picture, I'm gonna go up here and insert on the home, and you can go right here, and I'm gonna take the triangle and I'm gonna draw the triangle shape around it. Then I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna send it to the back, and I'm gonna take this photo here and right click and I'm gonna cut. So now it's on the clipboard. So once I right click on this again, I'm gonna go to Format Shapes, and you can see right here it says Fill and Lines and Effects. So I'm gonna go to the Fill and Lines, and I'm gonna go to Picture or Text Fill. Then I'm gonna click on the clipboard. Once I click on the clipboard, it's gonna put it on the clip. Now it's transparent. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to this photo and I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna copy it. As you can see, I'm gonna copy it here right beside the original one. And you notice that they look the same. But watch, when I go to the format, and I go over here to lines on the original one, it doesn't have a place where you could transparent. But when I click on the other photo, you see I can adjust it to make it transparent. But as you can see, this picture, I want to remove the background of it. So what you want to go to Format and hit Remove. You notice that the pink or purple looking parts, those are the parts that's going to be removed. So I want to mark the areas I want to keep, which everything come out pretty good, and hit Keep Changes. As you can see now, the background is gone, and you can adjust your transparency. You can move this photo anywhere you want. You can size it and do whatever you want. And make sure you have no lines. You see how I changed that to no lines? So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the original photo from it just to show you what everything will look like. So I'm gonna just right click and just delete that or remove it. So this is the transparent photo. As you can see, I can size it and move it how I want. I can make adjustments. And if you want to, you could make it lighter or darker. It depends on your preferences. But that's all to it. Very simple.